Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can remove Odoo branding. And removing the branding will give your website and invoices a more professional and custom appearance. So what you will have to do is click website, and once you're here, what you will do is go to configuration and then click settings and wait for it to load. Or you could also okay. So once you're here, you will just have to wait for it basically. And now what you will do is you will just have to remove this favicon right here so that they won't be able to know if they won't be able to see the Odoo logo. And you'll just have to click delete, and yeah, that's basically how you do it. And you could now upload your custom logo if you want to. And you could also check your invoices and reports if it is available for you. And basically what you will have to do is make sure that your Odoo branding is removed. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.